Sir, the increasing magnitude of this outbreak in India called for a preemptive, proactive, graded and whole of government, whole of society approach built around a comprehensive strategy to prevent infections, save lives and minimize impact. The Government of India undertook the COVID-19 challenge with the highest level of political commitment. The nationwide lockdown, a bold decision undertaken by the government, duly involving community, initiated as self-imposed Janta curfew, as per the call given by the Honorable Prime Minister, is testimony to the fact that India has collectively stood up to manage COVID-19 and successfully blunted the aggressive progression of COVID. It has been estimated that this decision prevented approximately 14 to 29 lakh cases and 37 to 78,000 deaths. Further, these 4 months were utilized to create additional health infrastructure, enhance human resource, and produce within India critical elements such as PPEs, N95 masks and ventilators. Whereas there was no indigenous manufacturing of PPEs with the requisite standards at that point in time, we are now self-sufficient and in a position to even export the same. WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic and asked all countries to take urgent and aggressive action against this public health crisis. As on 11th September 2020, 215 countries, territories worldwide are affected. As per WHO, there are more than 2.79 crore confirmed cases across the world, with more than 9.05 lakh deaths, with a case fatality rate of 3.2%. Sir, as on 11th September 2020, a total of 45,62,414 confirmed cases and 76,271 deaths, with a case fatality rate of 1.67% have been reported in India. As many as 35,42,663, that is about 77.65% cases have recovered. The maximum cases and deaths have been primarily reported from Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, West Bengal, Bihar, Telangana, Odisha, Assam, Kerala and Gujarat. All these states have reported more than 1 lakh cases. With our endeavor to manage COVID-19 through a whole of government and whole of society approach, India has been able to limit its cases and deaths per million to 3,320 cases per million and 55 deaths per million population respectively, which is one of the lowest in the world as compared to similarly affected countries. From a situation of a single laboratory equipped to undertake testing for COVID in January, presently 1,705 laboratories are conducting COVID-19 testing. Laboratories have been established in difficult terrains like Ladakh, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, as well as other northeastern states, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Currently, the testing is about 1 million tests a day, which translates to 720 tests per million population per day, much higher than that stipulated by WHO, which is 140 tests per million population per day. A total of 5,51,89,226 samples have been tested so far as on 11th of September 2020. While there were no indigenous manufacturers of laboratory diagnostics or testing machines for COVID, today we have an indigenous production capacity of more than 10 lakh kits per day.